Hello guys, welcome to yet another episode of AML Talks. So today we'll be talking about how we can use Wan 2.1 using SwarmUI. So Wan 2.0 is the latest video model by China, and it's been making rounds out there, and everyone is trying to generate some videos out there using it. So you can either make a comfy UI workflow for it that is a little bit complex for everyone. So it's better to use a simpler version. So using SwarmUI, what we will be doing is we'll create a simple image to video example today, because I have already covered that text to video part of Swarm UI in my previous video, and that is live there. It was in my live sessions out there, so go and check my live sessions video if you wish to do the text to video part. But in this video also we'll cover some sort of the text to video part, and you can go and see how you can generate text to video. So text to video is the easiest part of it. So you just need to download the text to video model out there for your Swarm UI, and you just do a prompt and run it out, and it will just start generating. The second part is for image to video. You need to download, again it's the same thing. You just need to download it and select your image to video model, and then you will be doing it. So let's move to the code part, and we'll be showing how you can easily generate if you have the resources. The first thing is you need to have resources. If you are having the resources, you will be able to download and run Swarm UI in your systems. So I was using MacBook 48 GB M4 Pro. So even that, it was giving me issues out there sometimes. So it took me some time to generate the image using image to video, because we have 14 million models in image to video models. The text models are text to video models are smaller versions, that is 1.3 also, that you can try. But for image to video, your system should be good, and if your system is good enough, then you should be able to run without any glitch out there. So let's just move to the code part and see how we can do it. So we'll be working with SwarmUI today. So SwarmUI was previously known as stable SwarmUI. So I'll be providing you the GitHub link from where you can install it. So to install it in your MacBook, to install into I'll be using MacBook. You can use it in Google Colab also, or you can use any GPU cloud GPU provider also. So Runpoint also has this thing, and it's also there in Vast AI. And to install that, on Windows, just download this bat file, and install this .bat file. Okay, just it is there. So when you go to your Swarm UI, so install install windows.bat, you just click on that, and then it will install it there for you. Okay. For Mac, it is little bit different. So we will work on that. So to work it on Mac, what you need to do is so for in Linux also, you just copy this project and then run it out. Okay, this you need to you run this install linux.sh script. Okay, and then you need to launch by launch linux.sh program. Okay, so I'll be doing it in Mac. So what we need to do is we need to go to a terminal, and then we'll check whether this brew package is there or not. Okay, so brew is already there in my system, so I have installed it. So just need to do brew update, and if Python is not there, then you need to install Python also. Okay, so now what you can do is now you need to do brew install.net. So it's brew install.net. So once that is there, what you need to do is you just need to clone this part. So you just need to clone it out. So I've already cloned it, but even then, I'm just showing it to how you'll do. So just click here and run it. So it will download everything, and after doing this, you just need to do you need to change that directory to SwarmUI. Okay. So here we will be doing swarm cd swarm UI. Okay, now we are into the swarm UI part. So see ls if you do, so all these files are there. Okay, so this part I'll I'll not be using it, but I will show how it works basically. Okay, so now if you want to launch it out there without going to VS Code also, you can launch it just by you need to run this part. Okay, you can clone it in your VS Code also. So if you wish, you can use it from here itself. So in the terminal part, go and launch. So see, so now it will ask you to do the installation part. Okay, so I had done the installation in my system using a different version. So just agree it out there and do a just install Okay, so it will take time, some time to install everything, comfy UI backend and everything. So it takes a little bit of time. So this is something that you need to install it out. So this will be coming to you for the first time. But once that is done, once this installation is done, you will be coming to this background sort of thing, wherein you will get a background like this, and you need to you will have all these parameters displayed here. Okay, so I'm just waiting for it to do it. It will take some time. So I'll just close it down there. So yeah, this installation, see, it will download this, everything is there. So stable base and all those things. So I'll just shut it down right now. So I will show how I have done it in my VS Code. Okay, it will take some time and then everything will be same. Okay, so in my VS Code, what I did was, so I'll just run it. So see, it will just launch it directly. So this was my previous history that it is showing right now, that I had done it. So it will come like this, and then what it will do is, you need if you want a text to video, you can go to text to video, and then you will have to select the text to video model. Okay, so text to video model, you can go to my previous video, in my live video I have shown it. I'll link it here also. But what you can do is, I'll just show it here also. So you just need to go to comfy UI repackaged, yeah, and in the files, split files, you go to split files and the diffusion models. Okay, in the diffusion models, you see two types of models. One is I2V. I2V is image to video, and T2V is text to video. So if you are testing a text to video file, just download it, download one of them, and just download one of them. And what you need to do is, once this is downloaded, then what I will do is, I will you need to go to models and the diffusion models and keep it here. So I have kept only the image to video as of now. The previous one I have deleted it out. So you can just, if you wish to use text to video, you can just copy it here and paste it. That's it. And then you will need to go here, I'll just show it to you, let me see that, let me download it out. It will take some time to download. So this way, your what you need to do is, uh, you need to click the text to video and the number of frames that you require and the text to video format, and then you give your prompt. So what it will, and from here you need to select the model. So instead of this I2V, your model in the diffuser part, you will be shown T2V. So you need to select the T2V model, and whatever parameter you have selected, you just need to select it out and then run it here. So this way your model will keep on generating here. So right now I'm just showing the image to video part. So what you need to do in the image to video part is you go to the initial image. If you want an initial image, then choose the initial image. So I selected this part, and what you need to do is image creativity, like sometimes default will be zero point 0.5 or zero point 0.6. You need to make it 0, so that it tries to create a video out of this part only. Okay, so remember this part. Go to init image and do this, and then in the image to video part also you need to select a video model. So what you will do is you will select a video model, the same version here, like whatever, I have kept only one model, so that's why only one model is showing. If there are multiple models in that diffuser folder, if we have here we have multiple models, so it will show you an option to select any of the models. So only one model is there, that's why Wan 2.1 is currently shown there. So then after that you can select the number of frames. So I am selected the number of frames is 16. Then video steps also you can select these numbers, and model video resolution also will be there. So image aspect and model resolution, you can give your image aspect, or I just give it a model preferred. And the video format I selected as a WebP. You can use any other format also. Okay, depending on that. And then you need to give your prompt. Okay, smiling and turning left. So I'll generate this. So now what it will do is it will if your one or two more things that you need to do is, if you don't have the clip models, so you need to download the clip model, and you need to download the VAE, so variational autoencoders. You need to download these two things. So from where you will get these two things? You again go to this compy.org, repackaged files. So again what we will do, wait a minute, okay. So in this repackaged versions, see the split files. So diffusion model is there, clip vision is also there. Okay, so and text encoders is also there. So text encoders, you select this text encoder from here. Okay, so UMT5 XSL FP8, like this is a smaller version, so that's why I took it. So download it from here, and then what you need to do, clip vision model also is there. So download this thing and you put it in the clip vision part. Okay, otherwise it will take it will download everything, and and then VAE also, either you can download it from here or it will auto download from your file. So if you have already downloaded it, it's okay. So you can just download it here and then go and keep it here. Okay, so if you download it, otherwise it will just auto download it here in this folder. Okay, so now what you can do is, see, it has started generating this part. So because everything was downloaded, so it has started generating. It will take some time, and I'll show you the final output. Okay. So you can see that my image has been generated. So it takes around for this FP8 version, we have taken around 37.35 minutes to generate the video. So let's see how it is out there. So uh, see like it is like this. So let's see how my video is there. So the model, I just gave it a prompt that the model wearing formal clothes, smiling and moving sideways. So this was my image, and it is just making some sideways movement and little bit smiling, not that smiling. I think this could have been improved. So there is no smile generated by it. So it is moving sideways, that it has done, but the other parts it has not done. So okay, so original image and the video. So this is the original image and this is the video. Right. So looks decent enough, but not that great. But yeah, it's decent enough, you can say, and it's with the 480p. The model that we used was 480p and FP8 version. So we could have used 720p and could have got a better result, and then we could have used FP16. So that would have given us a better model, but due to RAM constraints, I was not using any of those. So